Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys my new elastic band method, and this is how I do my hair when I don't want to do cornrows. I just slick the front back and then I just braid it literally in two braids, and I'm just going to apply a black stocking cap to ensure that everything is super flat. And moving on, so this is what my wig currently looks like with the regular elastic band method. As you can see, the back of it just flaps and I cannot stand that. So here I am measuring a piece of elastic band, and I'm measuring it from ear to ear, holding it taut and stretching it as far as it can go. And then as you can see, I have 2 inches hanging off, and I'm going to leave those 2 inches on because we are going to use them later. So here I'm just cutting off the straps that come with the wig because I no longer need them, and as you can see, my elastic band is on. And so what I'm going to do is sew the elastic band onto that nape area, and I'm just literally taking the end of the elastic band and just sewing it on as if it was a track. And now if you want everything to be snug and no gaps, then you will start sewing from the first stitch where you sew the elastic band on. Did that make sense? From where the other arrows are pointing, basically, and that will ensure that you won't have any gaps and everything will fit snug to your head like a 360 wig would. Like you can pull up in a bun, ponytail, and it will look flawless. So now that I'm done, I'm just knotting it and cutting it. And moving on, I'm just going to put the wig on my head after I show y'all what it looks like. So as you can see, the sides are free still, but if you wanted to sew them down, you could. You would just start from where you attach the elastic band at the beginning, but I just wanted to do the back because that's my main focus. I don't like for my wig to flap, and my head is super small, so we had to fix that. So now I have the wig on my head, and as you can see, it is super tight, so do leave a little bit of room. That's why I left those extra 2 inches, because the elastic band really does pull the wig in. So here's what it looked like. It's not laid down or anything, and if I did my baby hairs, I can just go like that. And this is what the back looks like. So it no longer is flapped, it's stuck to my head. If I wanted to pull it down further and pull my hair up in a bun and style my baby hairs, I definitely could do that. Now these are the side gaps I was talking about. If you guys want to sew those down, you definitely can, but I'm not going to wear my hair up, so I don't really mind. But this is just what it looks like in a messy bun. It's not the cutest messy bun, but this is just me showing you guys that it can be pulled up into a bun and it is snug, and like I said, it's not laying down, and it looks really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this updated elastic band method, and I hope you guys click that subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.